Dear students, today we are going to study new experiment, that is to perform sterility testing of sterile gauze. Okay, sterile gauze. This is gauze swab, okay, which is available in market. That is BP, so British Pharmacopoeia. It means this is the size it is mentioned. Okay, so you have to check whether it is sterile or not. So it is sterilized by gamma radiation. So gamma radiation technique which is used for sterilization of this gauze. So this is packed. So what you have to check, you have to check whether this gauze, के आपको पता है गॉज जो है वो यूज़ करते हैं जो वुंड जो है उसमें उसको करने के बाद, ड्रेसिंग्स करने के बाद गॉज जो है वो यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. ओके, आपको पता है स्टेरिलिटी टेस्टिंग के लिए वी आर यूजिंग टू मीडियम्स. फर्स्ट इज़ FTGM. So this is the FTGM which is prepared and it is sterilized in autoclave. ओके, ऑटोक्लेव में ऑलरेडी स्टेरिलाइज किया है उसको. तो यहाँ पे 3 टेस्ट ट्यूब आपको लेनी है and you have to label this 3 test tube of FTGM and this 3 test tube are of SCDM. Okay, so you have to mention SCDM, FTGM, तीनों को लेबलिंग करना है. SCDM में 1 इज़ कंट्रोल नेगेटिव, 1 इज़ कंट्रोल पॉजिटिव एंड 1 इज़ टेस्ट सैंपल, कि जिसके अंदर आप गॉज जो है वो ट्रांसफ़र करोगी. FTGM में सेम कंट्रोल पॉजिटिव, कंट्रोल ट्यूब नेगेटिव एंड टेस्ट sample. So here you have to stick this label on test tubes. SCDM है तो SCDM का यहाँ पे को लेबल करना है. Control tubes. Why we have selected 3 tubes? 1 is for positive control, 1 is for negative control and 1 is for taste sample. तो इसके आगे की प्रैक्टिकल में हमने देखा था कि कैसे SCDM को बनाते हैं. हाउ दिस SCDM एंड FTGM मीडियम वर प्रिपेयर. यहाँ पे देखिए थोड़ा इसके भी ऊपर से किया है. So here in positive culture control tube, both FTGM and SCDM, you have to transfer the bacterial and fungal culture respectively. And in negative control tubes, उसके अंदर AZTC कल्चर मीडियम को रखना है. नेगेटिव में उसके अंदर टेस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म नहीं ऐड करना. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी हाउ द दिस गॉज जो है उसको कैसे आपको स्टेरिलाइज करना है. ओके, फर्स्ट यू नीड फॉर दैट द सीजर एंड फॉर्सेप. सो फॉर द सीजर एंड फॉर्सेप इट शुड बी ऑल्सो स्टेराइल, वो भी स्टेराइल होना चाहिए. इसको भी आपको ऑटोक्लेव में स्टेरिलाइज करना है. सो फर्स्ट टेक दिस गॉज. You have to clean the outer surface of this gauze. इसको with the alcohol clean it, and again you have to cut this. type of packing is there that you have to remove. So with the help of this sterile forceps, you have to remove this gauze. Okay, no need to remove. पूरा निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You have to cut it in a V shape. गॉज जो है उसको V शेप में कट करना है. So this V-shaped gauze you have to transfer into the tube, FTGM and SCDM. Okay, आपको transfer करना है. So take this test sample tube, open it, sterilize it and transfer this gauze into the culture medium में. वो डीप होना चाहिए, like this. Now take another V-shaped, cut in a V-shaped form. Transfer in a test sample of SCDM tube. Refill the test tube. Recap the cotton plug. Okay. Now next is you have to transfer. ये तो आपका नेगेटिव हो गया, सैंपल हो गया, टेस्ट sample. Now positive. So in FTGM you have to transfer the bacterial suspension. So sterilize it. Till red hot. Take one full of culture. Then transfer it into the positive control tube. Let's take the bacterial after bacterial suspension. For SCDM positive control you have to add the fungi, test organism of fungi as mentioned in pharmacopoeia. You have to take this fungi culture. Okay, so next this 3 tubes of FTGM, negative control, test sample and positive control. These 3 tubes आपको एक ही टेम्परेचर पे रखना है FTGM को, and these 3 tubes of SCDM that you have to also you have to keep it in another incubator. Okay, because the SCDM temperature is 28, you have to incubate, and for FTGM the temperature is 37. For identification of bacteria, SCDM for identification of fungi. So this FTGM, it will be put in this incubator, and SCDM will be put in the So for 7 days, after 7 days, you have to interpret the result, but every day you have to check whether there is a formation of growth in test sample or not. After 7 days, interpretation of result for sterility testing of sterile gauge. So these are the tubes of FTGM. This tube is FTGM negative control tube. This is FTGM positive control tube which shows the growth. पॉजिटिव के अंदर ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है बैक्टीरिया, बैक्टीरियल टेस्ट ऑर्गेनिजम्स were transferred, while in negative control tube there were no inoculum of bacteria. The culture media is not inoculated with the bacterial medium, so it shows there is no growth. It shows the transparency. You can see this test tube shows a negative control. In the center, this is the sample tube, or you can see the test sample tube. In that the gauge was transferred, the sample, and which also shows the no turbidity after the 7 days. So it is in the center. So you can compare this turbidity here. Okay, so the sample tube is compared with the negative control which do not contain any organisms. So the transparency is same. Okay, and this is the positive control. So after growth of organism shows turbidity. Okay, so this is of FTGM. Okay, so in FTGM sample we can claim that there were no bacteria organism which were present in that sterile gauge. Okay, but you can see this is the SCDM culture medium. This is positive control, this is taste sample, and this is negative control. So here you get negative control. You can see there is a no growth, there is a transparency of culture medium, जैसे initial था वैसा ही है. And this is the positive control which shows the turbidity. Here you can see the growth which is sediment at the bottom. When you shake it, you can see here the growth. Okay, but in the test tube, that is the test sample tube which contains the sterile gauge. Okay, but here the growth of organism you can see in the form of turbidity. When you compare it with the control tubes, here you can see this in the center की जो tube है which having some turbidity. Okay, when it is compared with the negative control. So here the interpretation of result in that there is the sterile gauge which was used, which may be contaminated with some fungi, So here it shows the growth when it's come in a contact with the culture medium. इसमें उसका growth हुआ है. You can see here left side पे है positive control and this is the right side which is a negative control. Okay. which is clean, and in the center our test is. So FTGM जो है उसमें पास हो गया है, मीन्स बैक्टीरियल ग्रोथ जो है वो बैक्टीरिया जो है वो प्रेजेंट नहीं था, बट द SCDM जो है उसमें फंगाई जो है वो कह सकते हैं कि इट मे बी कॉन्टामिनेटेड विथ फंगाई. ओके, सो our sterility test is failed. Okay, you can say sterility test is failed as per the pharmacopoeia limit. Okay, क्योंकि SCDM में तो ग्रोथ आया है, FTGM में भले नहीं आया है. सो एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टू रिपीट द प्रोसीजर. कि आइडियली क्या करते हैं, रिपीट करते हैं टेस्ट को वापस से, एंड अगेन इट विल गेट एंड अगेन इट विल बी इंटरप्रिटेटेड whether there is any contamination or not. Okay.